dobry! Today we are in Gdynia. I had the most loveliest visit with my friend Ola, and I'm going to show you the waterfront. Gdynia is a city that's roughly 100 years old. It's very peaceful and quiet here. It's 61 degrees today. Not very sunny, but cloudy. This is the Gulf of Gdańsk, and it's in the Baltic Sea. And did you know that Poland is well known for its amber? And specifically in Gdańsk, they harvest their own amber. You can hear the lovely birds singing behind me. And I'm not talking about the seagulls. It's about 11:42. I took my time getting ready and leaving the apartment. I'm headed to lunch, and then at 1:30 I have my train back to Warsaw. A very chill morning and a very chill rest of my weekend. On Sunday, I start my second session of Angloville. Very excited. So I'm just relaxing before I start volunteering for the next week. In this area right along the water, there are a few restaurants that you could eat and drink at for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Just come, enjoy yourself, and look out to the water. It's really peaceful. the Seaside Boulevard. I kind of planned to get breakfast, but it was past 12 and they stopped serving breakfast. So I'm having lunch at a place on the Seawalk. I got some fish soup and some shrimp and salad. Bon appetit! And for a drink, I got a mimosa because why not? Again, thank you for joining me. I'm always happy to have you. I'm excited to show you the world and show you the things that I'm seeing, to inspire you to go outside, book that trip, take yourself on a date, travel alone, do the things that you want to do, experience life to the fullest in whatever way that you want to, while respecting Mother Nature and people, of course. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye. Peace, love, and good vibes.